Emergency lighting is generally not required in spaces that are not normally occupied, such as unoccupied attics. However, because the new attic office addition will be occupied by office clerical workers, emergency lighting is required there. The International Fire Code, which is widely adopted, requires emergency lighting in spaces that are used for human occupancy, such as offices. Therefore, the existing first floor of the dental office building, including the newly renovated attic space, will likely require emergency lighting. Regarding the retrofit requirements for the entire building, because the building was constructed in the late 70s, it may not meet current emergency lighting standards. The International Fire Code requires that existing buildings that undergo significant renovations be upgraded to meet current code requirements. This potentially includes the installation of emergency lighting throughout the building. For inspection considerations, the new attic office addition is required to have emergency lighting, and the existing first floor may need to be updated to meet code requirement. The local inspection office has the final authority on whether the building meets code. Therefore, it's recommended to contact the inspection office to clarify their expectations before the final inspection. To avoid any issues during the final inspection, it's advisable to install emergency lighting in the new attic office addition immediately. Contact the local inspection office to discuss the emergency lighting requirements for the existing first floor and determine if a retrofit is necessary, and obtain written confirmation from the inspection office that the building meets code before the final inspection. By following these recommendations, you can help ensure a smooth final inspection and avoid costly delays.